I see you! Look, my favorite brawler! Brawl Stars forever! I'm gonna chase you, and I'm gonna find you. You can't get away from me, ever. This is so cool! So many cool brawlers. That's a keeper. I know you like me. Hey! Hey! Ow! Ow! I just want to be friends. I'll find you every time. I still love you. I hope that leaves a mark. Just wait there. I'll be right back. Oh, one for the collection. Don't touch my scrapbook. You are going in my scrapbook. Don't run away. I'm gonna catch you. Wait for me. I just want your autograph. Best moment of my life. Scrapbook moment. Is this really happening? This is better than my fanfics.